All right, let's move on to our loop function. Take this line of code out and space. So we'll create we want to read the sensor value. We want this to keep happening because we're going to keep moving our hand over the photoresist, so we want to keep a constant read action going, and whatever that value is, that's coming from A0. We want to store that, and that's going to be used to create the tone coming out the piezo. So then the next line of code, we're going to create a local variable here. Use an integer type, call it pitch. That would be equal to, now the pitch will be, we have to create a map. Okay, so it doesn't understand 0 to 123. We'll map, and then we're mapping the sensor values that we get from our sensor low and our sensor high, and we'll have a range. The sensor low and sensor high, that's the range that the sensor will read naturally, but then we want to map it to values for, let's see, 50. We'll do 50 to 4,000. These will be frequencies. Then next line. Now we want tone. Okay, what's coming out of what do we hear? And so we have our piezo connected to pin 8. And we'll do, and we have to call for, oops, too much of a space, pitch. And we'll have it play for, we'll say 20 milliseconds to start. We can always go back and make this longer. Semicolon. So our tone is coming in from what's plugged in, pin 8, which is our piezo, and it's let's see, we're calling pitch 20 milliseconds, and then let's have a delay in there. Delay of 10 milliseconds. And that should do it. And let's go ahead and save this code. This will be called light sound. All right, so we're done with our code, and let's move on to applying power to the board.